Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm an owner of a Google partner company. As well, I'm a Google Ads expert, Facebook Ads expert, uh, SEO expert, and can help you with web development as well. Me and my team. Again, it's always a team effort. So I'm here with a new case study regarding Google Ads account which doesn't comply with the Google Ads terms and condition. You can see over here as well. This is an account 2710 0241700, and interestingly, the client also came asked with because their Google Merchant Center account was also suspended. So, we discussed that as well. So, it's a combined case study for Google Ads account and Google Merchant Center account. Both were suspended for the client. And, whenever we try to do an appeal for either one, you may get a notice like, first restore your Google Ads account. And if you go to the Google Ads team, they will say that first restore your Merchant Center account, and then they are going to restore the Google ads account. So it's a very difficult for anyone who is running an operation, and when the client brought it to us, we said to them like, uh, there should be no replica, no counterfeit, and we will be able to get it restored, because the client was quite frustrated, because it took us a lot of time, the client try to do himself. And they also created other Google Ads account, but those accounts were simultaneously additionally suspended as well. And when they were running on GMC, that was also suspended. Let me show you that as well. So this is their GMC, which was suspended. And the issue on the GMC was that issue with the Google Ads account. Your account is suspended. Your account doesn't comply with our Google Ads term recognition. So in this scenario where the client had both the GMC suspended and their Google Ads suspended, so they were very worried on how to get it restored. For GMC Google Merchant Center, we have a dedicated 70-step checklist, and for Google Ads, we have a dedicated 100-step checklist, which ensure the compliance of the website with the Google Ads, and which it also involves thoroughly reviewing your Google Ads account and your Google Merchant Center account for compliance. So we thoroughly looked around on the what are the issues which is causing the suspension on both, because it's a perfume company, so fragrance based company. So there can be any issue on the website. We thoroughly reviewed everything. If I open their website, there can be any issue on the website, like any issues in the pages, any issues on the payments, like if the payment is showing but that is not happening. Any issues in contact information, shopping information. There are certain, there are some policies which are same for Google Ads and Google Merchant Center, but then there are some policies which are different for Google Merchant Center and Google Ads account. And this is not always a scene that where both of the accounts are simultaneously like suspended. Here was such a case. And you can understand the frustration of a client who's both, GMCs and GAD are suspended. uh, and it's very, difficult and frustrating. So this was the case over here. So now I'm going to show you the Google Ads account, which we were able to get it restored. And this is their Google Ads account. They were running two accounts. So we said to them that we may have to close the other one, and we may have to get restored either of them. And so which one you want to restore? So they gave us an account, and you can see that your account is unsuspended. You can see over here that that account is no longer suspended. And I can show you, and I'm going to show you the Merchant Center account as well of this one as well, so you guys can see that as well. So you can like check around on physically on I mean the because we run various MCCs, because we're a Google partner company, and we have a lot of clients on our list. So this is the Wayfarer Sends account, and you can see that an account is approved. And if you look around in the notification, you may see that there is no notification regarding suspension, but yeah, there are some issues related to product fixing. So yeah, I'm glad that this is another successful case study. Like here, you can see that the account was suspended. You can see the ID as well. You can match it right now with this ID as well. And the very different thing was that when we onboarded the Google Ads account, the client suddenly saw this email, and they said that we were trying to reach the Google team, but they didn't reply to us for more than a month. So how come they suddenly said this to us? Because we said that we have pushed them for a review, because we're a Google partner company, and we get them, we have a dedicated support. So like you can see that this was their Google Ads account suspended. and this was a GMC. Now you can see this is a GMC, and now you can see that this is a Google Ads account. So both were unsuspended. So yeah, I'm very glad. I'm very thankful to my team who constantly worked with Google and thoroughly reviewed the website, thoroughly reviewed the ad copy, thoroughly reviewed the Google Ads account from settings, analytics, tried to do the A to Z audit of the Google Ads account, tried to do the A to Z audit of the Google Merchant Center account with different checklists to ensure that there is no such issue on presenting on the website or on their Google Merchant Center or Google Ads account. Yeah, it took us a while because everything takes time. This was not an overnight job. So because we have 100 step checklist for Google Ads, 70 steps for GMC, so it took us a lot of time to get them restored. Like for instance, I told you, like the payment can be an issue. For instance, if you are showing a payment over here, payment method over here, and that is not physically you are providing in your checkout process, your GMC can be suspended. If you are making a claim on your website which is not exactly true, like if you say on a health website like lose 5 kgs in 30 days, Google Ads want to prove this because Google says how you are claiming that your product is going to lose 5 kg for a customer in 30 days. Do you have any scientific evidence, or it's just a marketing claim? Google doesn't approve such cases, when someone says that it is just a marketing claim. So we constantly worked with Google. We constantly worked because Google Ads and Google Merchant Center both are separate teams. With Google, it's not like you are when you are talking with the Google Ads team, they are going to solve the Google Merchant Center account issue, or if you are talking with the Google Merchant Center account, they are going to solve the Google Ads account issue. But rather, what they are going to do is, if you go to Merchant Center team, they're going to say that first restore your Google Ads account, then come to us. And if you go to Google Ads team, they will say that first restore your merchant and then come to us. So that is an issue over here that they do. We feel that Google have interlinking issues over here, that could be improved. But the case was over here came to us, and we genuinely wanted the client to get restored because we felt the pain of the client, and we understand that it is causing a lot of issue for anyone who is running ads or on Google Ads, and then who have uploaded their products for Google Shopping on Google Merchant Center, and suddenly they see suspension. So it caused them a lot of business loss. So we help them and get them back restored. So yeah, this is a very successful case study. All credits to my team. So in case if you need help regarding restoring of Google Merchant Center, Google Ads account, or even Facebook ads, or even if you need help in the management of either of those, you can hire me and my team, and we will be lovely. We will love to able to work with you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to work with us. And yeah, that's it. If you like this case study, make sure to like, share, and comment. And in case if you want to see videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.